How to get Chrono Tokens and Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on their profile icon here at the top, then go to Achievements. And as you can see right here, when you click on like the gift icon, when you reach the 40 achievement points, when I reach a 40, you could get 200 Chrono Tokens. Well, that's a lot. And you could also get here on the Rivalry Rising section, the Heroic Journey. So you won't get Chrono Tokens, but you can get units right here. And here at the bottom, so there's also no Chrono Token. So this will give you 200 on the Galactus guide, and for the Rivalry Rising also 200. So the other way is by going to season right here and goes to missions. So you could also get a lot by just doing the daily missions. So let's say you won one match and you've inflict 6,000 damage, so that's already 60. And if you could do this all at one game, you will get all of these Chrono Tokens. And you could also refresh it if you want, which you will have 3 attempts to do so. And for the challenges, as you can see, these are the challenges. You could also get a ton of Chrono Tokens. If you win 5 matches, you get 80. If you take 30,000 damage, you get also 80 Chrono Tokens. And that's basically how you can get Chrono Tokens here on Marvel Rivals.